Hello to all of you. I am Yvonne. I am your grammar teacher. Here you have a video about what we need to know about grammar. First of all, we have English grammar deals with structures. You need to be able to understand what you are reading and translate it into Spanish. What you are doing now is a translation course, so it is very important that you understand the English so that you can translate it into Spanish efficiently. It will serve as a base for all the written English because you also have English as a subject, and it will help you recognize the differences between written English, written Spanish, and English. Everything you learn will help you solve the problems you will face when translating from English to Spanish and vice versa. There are a lot of different things that you have to know, especially phrasal verbs and idioms in English are a bit complicated, so those are very important that you should know. We also have the course is divided into several units, of which now you have now I will show you what you have to do in unit number 1. Yes? In unit number 1 we will see the different registers and how words are formed. Registers mean that they are different kinds of English for different situations. Yes? And valency patterns refer to how the words are placed in a sentence. That is very important because in English you have a special order for the words, not like in Spanish where you can put the words in one place or another and they mean the same. Here you have to know what grammatical elements you are talking about and the place they occupy in the sentence. In unit number 2, we will see nouns and everything that has to do with them. Yes? Remember that you form nouns with prefixes and suffixes, and what is very important is the genitive case. That is very important because you don't have it in Spanish, so you have to know how to use it. You have to know how to use it very well. And you have also countable and uncountable nouns, and they are a bit complicated also, and you have to know how to use a simple noun phrase. In unit number 3, we will be talking about determinants, articles, and pronouns. Those are what generally goes before a noun and gives you the exact idea of what you are talking about. And you have to know how to recognize the difference between them. What is also very important is the subject-verb concord. Here we have to see the subjects and the verbs and their concord, the singular and plural. In unit number 4, we will talk about adjectives and adverbs, how they are formed and used, and the places they occupy in a sentence. They have special places in a sentence in English. Yes? We will also see how to use the comparative and superlative structures that are not very, very complicated, but they also have a special way of use. Okay, this is all for now, and I hope we will be in touch all the time. Whatever you need, please don't hesitate to send me a note, yes? To send me a message. Okay, I wish you all the best for this current year, current semester really.